Hey guys, I'm here making some. All you need is hand soap, a bowl, and a mixing. And make sure you subscribe and comment and put a thumbs up. And I'll be right back. I gotta go get my stuff out the freezer. Put it in the freezer for like 5 or 10 minutes. Okay? So, be right back. Maybe Mexico. Okay guys, I'm here back on my slime. It's real froze. Now you just gotta mix it. Need more hand soap. Be right back. It's supposed to be looking like this. And then I'm gonna be like, yeah. So yeah guys, so I'm gonna end my video, and if y'all don't know what to do, all you need to do is just put it in the freezer and then keep on mixing it. If it doesn't work, put it in the freezer again, because mine is very, very pokey and it worked. So have a good day. Bye.